Saving money is a common goal for people of all ages and incomes. It can be difficult to save money, but there are some simple tips that can help. One way to save money is to set a budget and stick to it. Track your spending for a month to find out where your money goes. Then, find ways to cut costs in areas where you are spending too much. For example, if you eat out often, try cooking at home more. Another tip is to save automatically. Have a certain amount of money automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you build up your savings without having to think about it. Start small, but start now. These tips can help you save money and live a comfortable life. 1. Start by evaluating your spending habits and see where you can cut back. Evaluating your spending habits is the first step to saving money. There are a few ways to do this. Look at your bank statements and track where you are spending your money. This will help you identify any areas where you are spending more than you can afford. Keep a budget and track your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Think about your long-term financial goals and make a plan to save for them. This will help you make sure that your spending is in line with your goals. Once you have a good understanding of your spending patterns, you can start to make changes to save money. 2. Make a budget and stick to it. To create a budget, write down all income sources, list all expenses, allocate money to necessary and non-necessary expenses, decide how much to save each month, automate savings by setting up a direct deposit, and review the budget regularly to ensure staying on track.
3. Automate your savings. Once you have made a budget and created a list of expenses and incomes, automate your monthly fixed expenses and then review your statements to focus on your variable expenses such as shopping, fuel, etc. Identify these areas of reduction and start focusing on reducing these expenses.
4. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is crucial for a bright future. Take courses to improve your career prospects, invest in your health by eating healthy and exercising, and nurture your relationships with positive people. By doing so, you're making yourself more valuable to current and potential employers, reducing your risk of chronic illnesses, and improving your overall well-being. 5. Live below your means. To save money, live below your means by spending less than you earn and being mindful of your spending habits. Make a budget, track your spending, cut unnecessary expenses, boost your income, and automate your savings. By following these tips, you can save money for the things that matter to you. 6. Shop around for the best deals. To save money when shopping, use price comparison websites, look for sale items, and use coupons. By doing so, you can find the cheapest prices, stock up on items you need, and get discounts on your purchases. 7. Make a plan. To save money, make a plan for your financial goals. Make a budget and stick to it. Start saving early, pay off debts, take advantage of discounts, and be mindful of spending. By following these tips, you can save money and live a comfortable life.
We hope seeing this video has helped you gain some understanding of how to build money and achieve financial freedom. If it did, please consider liking this video and leaving a comment below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you in the